My name is Nur Amira Husnamidi Abdurrahim and my matrix number is 01DDT20F1026.
My name is Nurul Najawati Hussain and my matrix number is 01DDT20F1124.
Hi, my name is Parsuman Pillai. My matrix number is 01DDT20F1103. So today my group and I will be presenting our practical exercise 3.
So before we start, let's learn about Apk File. So what is Apk File? An Apk File is actually a file that was generated for Google Android mobile OS, and some Android apps are pre-installed while the others can be downloaded via Google Play. And apps obtained from Google Play that are installed automatically, but there are apps that download from other sources that must be downloaded manually. And the Android handles program installation in the background via Google Play or another app's distribution platform, so the consumer rarely see Apk files. And also many websites on the other hand provide the direct Apk file downloads for Android user who wants to install programs manually. So in this instance, you should be cautious about trusting the Apk files origins, because malware can be spread through the Apk files, just as it does through the Windows and ASP file. So yeah, in this video, before you check the Apk file status for infected file, the first things that you need to know is finding the Apk files. So in this case, I'm just going to search the Github and sign it. And then search the honestly I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to give it on the description below. So the android-malware. Now we can see that there's a lot of Apk files that are infected. So for me, I'm just going to download the first and the third one. So let's just wait for it. So in this case, you do not need to install it because this will make your device infected. So just let it be, and yeah, let's go to the next session.
Guys, so today I'm going to show how to check an Apk file which is affected by using a website. So for the website we have choose is the virus totaler. So here you can use by file or URL or such. So virus totaler, like it's a website where you can scan and get a solution for a file or URL to see is there any malicious side of it or any file that's affected or not. So to check it, first we will go by file now. So before that, make sure you have downloaded a file for Apk. After that, choose the file, which is in mine, it's in downloads. I'll just choose it, open, and when it is done, you can see it. So for this site, there are 33 security vendors and no sandbox flags. So if you see for the Microsoft, the Trojan Android, chasing is the Agent Grey one, and here for the beta it's undetected, smooth undetected, and here is unable to find the process. So this is a website is very useful to you guys to see whether the Apk files are affected or not. So far here there are 33 files are affected, and yeah, this is what you can see. That's all from me. Thank you.
So the next method is using #android. So one way to see if you are downloading the right Apk is to check its hash. The SHA of a file is kind of like a digital fingerprint, and if you are found its SHA publicly mentioned by the developers, then you can compare that with the SHA of the Apk you have. If both SHA match, then it doesn't contain any malware or harmful virus. #android is an app that you can get from Google Play Store. So for this demonstration, I use normal Apk Angry Bird game to be hashed, and the other one is mod Apk, which usually contain malware. So first, you need to download the hash Android in your smartphone and run the app. And then choose the hash a file section to hash the Apk. Then I'll select SHA256 and select the normal Apk first, which is Angry Bird, and then calculate the hash. Copy the checksum to the clipboard and paste it in the first hash value here. And then continue with select the mod Apk file and calculate the hash value. And then copy again the checksum to the clipboard and paste it in the second hash value. And tap the compare button. Hash doesn't match, do not match, will be displayed. So this means that the mod Apk has malware, and this is how you check the malware using hash Android. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So in these sessions, for the conclusion, Amira, what do you think about the Apk files that has been infected?
So in my opinion, I think it is more important to check any file or Apk before installing in any devices, so that we can prevent malware from spread to the other device.
What about you, Parasu?
So as a conclusion, I think everyone need to check their files before downloading it or installing it. So for website, if you see Virus Totaler is one of the website where you can check for your files whether it is safe or not, so that we can prevent from malware as well, and it doesn't affect our devices as well. That's all.
So it seems that everyone is agreed that we should be cautious before download the Apk files because malware can spread through it, right? So yeah, that's all from us. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.